There we go. All right. So, again, this is going to be on your test. I think it's only like 1 or 2 questions. I know 1 for sure, maybe 2. So, and I'm not giving you a homework with this, okay? Your homework is going to be your module review that has this in it already. So I'm not going to give you a whole extra homework page about this, okay? Just so we're aware, okay? So let's start off with the top part. This is literally 3-10. This is the very last section in module 3. Yay! Okay. So you're going to do the distance between a point and a line, where the distance between a point and a line not on the line is the length of the segment. I think it's
Parallel.
no.
Perpendicular.
Postulate.
It's in your book, so if you've done your vocab, you should know this.
Angle addition postulate.
Segment length.
Why are you just saying weird things?
Xylophone.
Dude, really?
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Corn.
There you go. Hang on. It helps if Miss Howell has her book with her. Okay, it's the length of the segment perpendicular. Alright. And then the next little bit about the distance between parallel lines. The distance between 2 parallel lines is also the perpendicular distance between one of the lines and any point on the other line. And then the last one, this is a theorem, which again, if you've done your vocab, this should be in there.
Angle addition
Okay.
postulate.
What's the module for the
It's on the board. Wow.
Parallel.
Theorem 3.24. In a plane, if 2 lines are each equidistant,
Equals.
I remember writing that.
Oh yeah.
equidistant. If 2 lines are equidistant from the third line, then the 2 lines are parallel to each other.
Each other.
Jackson. Enough. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through how to figure these out. Okay? It's going to be long. You're not going to like it. But we got to do it. So, like I said, I'm sorry. Okay? Alright. Let's try this. It's going to be so fun. Okay, so do we see how we have line L with those 2 points in it?
Yeah, I do.
They want you to find the distance between line L and this point. Essentially, we want to find a perpendicular line that goes through this point and through that line. It's essentially what we're looking for, okay? So, we're going to do a lot of old school algebra that you learned last year to figure this out. Okay.
the slope of that and then get a perpendicular slope.
Eventually, yes. We're going to do something with that. So, step number 1, I need the equation of this line. So, what should we look for first?
The y-intercept.
So, we need the slope and
Y.
the y-intercept. Can you, with 100% certainty, tell me the y-intercept? No. Can you find me the slope, though? Yeah. So, let's see.
I think it's 1/2.
I think it might be 1/2.
You think it might be 1/2.
I also believe
But you don't know. I know it's 1/2.
Okay, so again, you can do rise over run. So it should be up 2 and over 1, 2, 3. So 2 over 4.
which is 1/2.
Correct. So we have our slope. Now, I want the equation for that.
Y.
So what did we use yesterday to find equations of lines and points?
Point slopes.
Point slope form. Okay. Does it matter which point you use?
No.
No.
You can use either one.
Again, I always vote for the ones with smaller numbers because smaller numbers are easier than bigger numbers. But hey, if you want to challenge yourself, I'm not going to stop you. So I'm going to do, let's see, it's y minus what? 2 equals half of x minus 1. Good. And then what would we do next?
Distribute the 1/2 to the each side of the correct distance.
So what would I write?
Y minus 2 equals 1/2 1/2 x minus 1/2.
Minus 1/2, good. All right. Let's see, Emily, what comes next?
You would add 2 to both sides.
Yep. And Emily, what's a -1/2 plus 2?
1.5.
Yeah.
1.5.
If we wrote that as a fraction, what would we have?
1 and 1/2.
3 halves. Good.
Oh.
Gabe, I need you to write this, please. I need the equation.
Oh no, I didn't.
Okay. All right, so we have the equation of this line. Now, you need the equation of the line that goes through P
So we have
and something over here.
so -2
You have to find the opposite
so
reciprocal
you use
of our
point
slope.
slope.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
So,
Which is -2.
our perpendicular slope is going to be what now?
Opposite reciprocal. of
Uh-huh.
this over here.
With -2.
-2, good. All right, now I need the equation. So again, we have the slope and we have a point.
So y minus 7 equals -2 times x minus 1.
Yep. Isn't this so fun already?
Actually, yeah.
I told you guys you would love this.
I like it so far.
No. This is just, it's one way that will work for every single time. That's just easy to memorize. But you can do it, you're doing on your paper. Because it'll work. So we should get what? Y minus 7 equals -2x plus 2. And then what? And then I'm going to what?
Add 7.
Add 7?
So y equals 2x.
So you should get y equals,
And now we do the slope on here and
nope. So now that we have our two equations, okay, you see how they both say y equals?
That's true.
No,
set them equal to each other.
you're gonna set them equal to each other. It's called the system of system of equations. You did this in algebra. This is the substitution method. You remember substitution method, elimination method?
I didn't
Oh,
like
I like the substitution method because you're already making them both in y equals, so
Yeah.
just do y equals y.
I don't like either.
So I'm gonna write y equals y just as like a reminder of what to do. So we want 1/2 x plus 3 halves equals -2x plus 9. So what do you want to do first for this?
Add x to both sides.
Add 2x to the left.
Okay. What if we just got rid of the fractions? Thought? Anybody?
I like to
Subtract there, which is
You can do your subtraction if you want, or you can multiply it all by 2 to get rid of all the fractions, and this way you have all whole numbers. Again, completely up to you. I like getting rid of the fractions because that's just Miss Howell. So that would make a 1x plus 3 equals -4x plus what? 9 times 2 is 18? Yeah. Because again, I think that's easier, but again, you do you. All right, what can we do now?
subtract 3 for both sides.
Okay. Subtract 3, so you should get x equals a -4x plus what?
15.
Okay. What's next?
Add the -4, so it's 5x equals 15.
Yep.
And you divide.
So 5x equals 15. So x is 3. Okay, now we're not done yet.
Oh.
We found x. What do we still gotta find? Y. So pick which equation you like.
Y equals negative.
I would do the bottom one. It don't got fractions.
I would do
That's
the bottom
nice.
one probably because
Okay.
it doesn't have like those fractions.
So what is -2 times 3? -6 plus 9?
3.
There you go. So we know our y is going to equal 3. So this gave us a coordinate, right?
3, 3.
If you look at the graph, the coordinate is at 3, 3.
That's right.
Wait, why does y
use
equal 3? Do you use the distance formula between
Maybe.
Miss Hal, why does y equal
Is
3?
it just a coincidence?
'Cause-
that it's the midpoint?
What's negative 2 times 3?
Negative 6.
And negative 6 plus 9. There you go. Okay. So again, yep, now you're going to do distance formula to figure out distance from P to that point we just found.
What's distance formula again?
The square root of y2 minus y1 all squared plus x2 minus x1 all of that squared.
What y is doing?
This is on the.
You're using P in this.
This is on the reference.
Oh.
This is on your reference, yes. You're using point P and you're using 3, 3 that we just
So
found.
which one would be y2?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because it's.
Alright, so that's going up there for that. And then we're using that. And P. So you should be getting what? I'm gonna do 7 minus 3 squared plus 1 minus 3 squared. No matter which one you did first in your problem, 7 minus 3 or 3 minus 7, you should get. Huh? 7 minus 3 is what? 4, and then 4 squared is. There you go. Listen to what Miss Howell's asking you. I appreciate you're ahead. All right, 1 minus 3.
Negative 2.
Negative 2 squared?
4,
4. So you get the square root of 20. Okay.
Be right.
And then, well, they asked you. Oh, they didn't write it. Oh, they've been doing to the hundredths place.
So 4.47.
And that is your final answer. Yep, all that just for that.
That's pretty fun. Seriously?
Yep.
No.
May I use the bathroom?
easier way.
There is a.
Is it a coincidence that that's also like the midpoint of the?
Why
Huh?
do we need to learn this?
State of Florida sets up.
Because
Am I
your
gonna
job,
learn this in real
9 to
life?
5 hours,
No,
because-
you won't.
So why?
May I use the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, do you want to try the example one check? Do you want to try it on your own or do it with Miss Howell?
Do it, Miss Howell.
Do it with Miss Howell. Okay.
Yes.
If you want to try it on your own, you can do it and just see if you get the same thing Miss Howell does. Okay? Because again, you have a question or two on your test just like this. Okay?
I think we should try our hardest on our little.
Then try it on your own. I'm not going to stop you. Okay? You're going to do the exact same steps here. Okay? Follow the exact same steps. You need to write the equation for the line and then find the perpendicular slope. Write that equation, equal to each other, solve distance. Because, you know, that's so fun.
It makes sense, I guess.
Yeah, why am I
Think about it.
But the points aren't always going to be halfway. Like this next one, the point isn't halfway, which is why you can't use midpoint. Yeah, because you see how, because you're going to, the point should be somewhere around here-ish. Which that's not halfway. But they counted by twos. That's why. Yep, we're doing it. So either you're doing it by yourselves or you're following along with Miss Howell. Up to you. Okay, your choice. All right, so start off with the line that they gave you. What is the slope of it?
It's -1.
Negative 1.
-1.
So I'm gonna.
It goes by 2s, though.
Yes, it does go by twos. So it's -6. Huh?
I don't know. She's bothering me.
No, I'm just trying to do my work ethic. You suck.
Good point.
Enough. So whether you looked at the graph or if you're doing the formula, up to you. Okay? So you should get what? -9 over 9? Which is
-1.
-1. Good.
I think
Alright.
you do, though.
still, not everybody's doing the graph, so I'm just, again, showing all the ways.
Okay.
All right, now you need the equation of that.
I got -1 for slow.
I
Okay.
equals negative x.
So y minus 3 equals
Oh, wait, we did that.
-1. All right, and then you should distribute and get what?
Y
I feel like most of you are trying this on your own.
I know the distance formula part.
Good. Okay, good. Yay. I was afraid that this would break your brains a little bit.
It's not hard, it's just a lot of work.
That's what I said. It's not that bad. It's just like, ew.
What is that?
All right. So you should have gotten -1x minus 2 so far, right? Right. All right.
I don't like.
And then we need the perpendicular slope.
Yes. That's
So instead of -1, it'll be 1. What?
So for like when you get an answer that's like a decimal, do you have to write the
It's-
about symbol?
No, you don't have to on your papers. Because again, you're not going to have a homework on this. And the questions on McGraw-Hill and on your test are multiple choice. No.
He literally said that.
You have, Indira, it is in your module review though. So you still have practice problems about it. I'm just not giving you a whole separate paper about it. Yeah, because you have a test on Thursday.
What?
On module 3. This is the last section of it. Yes, you can do it.
Isn't the module, is there a module review like
Yeah.
we're done?
I shortened it. I shortened the review, I promise. I don't remember, but I know I took out a lot of the vocab and a lot of the questions I just didn't like. I don't know. Yes. Although it says round to the nearest 10th. So y minus 4 equals...
boom, boom.
What does that mean?
Hey. You picked up the calculator.
One, 4.
Y minus.
So you should get y equals x plus 2 for the second equation, right?
Yeah.
If you're doing this on your own.
Yes.
And then what's the next step?
Equaling them?
Equal them. So you're going to do the y equals y bit. So -1x minus 2 equals 1x plus 2. I would add 1 to the other side. What? These are our two equations.
How do we get -2 for that one?
For this? So, oh, the perpendicular? What do you mean? How do we get a -2? It's the point. Yeah, use that point. You use Q for this.
Yeah, I got confused at first. Like,
Yeah, so you're adding x. So then -2.
This is pretty easy.
So you should get x is -2, right?
Did we actually switch that?
Okay. Now you gotta do the y value, Gabe.
whoa, I got 0 for the y.
You got 0? You got what? Yeah, what'd you get? Should have gotten 0. Alright. Alright, and then these are the 2 points you should be using for distance. I got -2 and 0. Everybody else? Well, it's gonna be on your reference sheet, so you'll be okay. So it should be 4 minus 0. And then
I actually did 2
This is so easy.
and you should get the square root of 32. Which
Guys, I got square root of 32.
it says rounded to the nearest tenth, so you should have gotten 5.7.
If you're trying to normalize the count, you have to
I gotta put you my calculator first.
Okay?
you have to do this to find out how many
I don't know.
No. It's just a lot. Like this is just a lot.
kids, I miss you.
Yeah, like I said, it's not bad. It's just a lot. So again, you do have a review for your test. If you want, if you already have your laptops out, you can start on it now. Well, your test is on Thursday, so you might want to do it by Thursday. I think it's like the end of November
For what?
for your review. Okay, so again, your test is on Thursday, so I would work on your review. Give him this paper back, please.
This is my paper.
Then work on your review, Jackson. Thank you. Okay? Yes, you have your review on McGraw-Hill. Again, you do have questions like this, and you will have at least 1 or 2 on your test about this.
Review a grade.
Yes, your review's a grade.